some meatloaf, and I'm gonna throw in some cheese in there. I was watching some recipes on YouTube, and they made some hamburger with cheese, so I just figured I'm gonna put it inside my meatloaf. I'm using organic from Costco. And then I got my eggs in here. A couple of garlic. Just put some of the garlic in here and then shred it and put it in there. I love the taste of garlic, fresh garlic. Okay, I'm gonna just add the hamburger into my eggs and seasoning, and then just mix it with my hand. Keep mixing. That's the best way to do it, is with your hands. Mix it. Okay, so I got 2 pieces of bread, and I just gonna toast it today. So I'm just waiting till that finishes toasting, and I'm gonna crumble it into the meat. I just put 2 toasts, and I just crumbled it up as best that I could, and I put a seasoning, whatever seasoning you want it to your taste. So this is the first time I'm making this type, but hey, you're your own creator in your kitchen, right? You do what you like. So I'm gonna use this cheddar cheese. I'm just gonna grate some. I'm gonna grate a lot because I love cheese, and it's better to use the block cheese than the shredded cheese because it has fillers and stuff in the shredded cheese. So this is the better choice, would be the block cheese. And I'm gonna go ahead and grate it right now. Cheese, I'm gonna see if that is enough, but I think it should be enough. And then I'm gonna mix some ketchup in there as well. So I'm gonna be adding ketchup and then mixing that. So I think that was enough cheese. So this is gonna be like a cheeseburger meatloaf maybe. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that. Go ahead. So this is what I just put inside. So it's basically what you got in your kitchen to use. And then I have these. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it into here, or maybe a bigger one. I'm gonna check for a bigger one. On top, we're gonna throw it in the oven. I'm gonna just put it at 350 right now because I'll be doing things and I don't want it to cook slowly. I don't want it to be like cooking really fast. So just leave it in there until it cooks. And I will see you guys back here. Rice pots, so we're making rice tonight. So we just use the white rice. Hinori is medium grain. Yeah, so that's what we basically usually use in Hawaii, is the medium grain rice. So when I go to the mainland and I taste the jasmine rice and stuff, it's so different from ours. This is, yeah, it's not my favorite, the jasmine rice. But yeah, so we're gonna let that cook. Make sure I got it on cook. And then we're gonna leave this in about 20 minutes, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, so I did leave it in around 30 minutes, but this is the finished look. I am so excited and hungry at this point. If you guys do cook this recipe, let me know how it came out. I'll see you guys next time. So this is my dinner for tonight, and it's pretty tasty, I must say. I just put rice with my meatloaf. Tastes really good. Sorry, this is just like a home video. We're not being professional here. It's just whatever clips I got for y'all. All right, you guys have a wonderful night. You guys take care and God bless. I shall see you guys tomorrow.